Hello everyone. In this video, I Sumit Kumar am going to present paper titled Auto QA. The question is not only what but also where. Along with myself, authors of the paper are Badri Patro and Vinay P. Nambudri. For this paper, we get inspiration from VQA task. VQA is an interesting task as it analyzes ability of an AI agent to answer wide variety of questions. We aim to investigate and evaluate its efficacy in terms of localization based question answering in the context of autonomous driving where this functionality is important. As shown in given figure, question is not about what is around me. It is also about whether it is present in a specified direction. This is designed to test localization ability. Motivated by this aim, we embark on a novel visual question answering challenge that we term Auto QA. Our new multi-model dataset is built over the Ergoverse dataset. As shown in figure, 7 images correspond to 7 different directions. As we can see in left figure, the 7 different directions are front left, center, front right, side right, rear left, and rear right. LiDAR sensors with a range of 200 meter produce approximately 1 lakh points. In figure to the right, corresponding point cloud is present for 360 visual space around reference vehicle. 3D bounding box in Ergoverse dataset are used to generate question answer pair. Based on this, we have generated 3 different types of questions: exists, count, and closest. For example, consider exist type of question. Is there a pedestrian to my right side? Similarly, we have other count and closest type of questions. In the next few slides, we will have a brief summary about different aspects of our dataset. We have around 210K question answer distributed in training, test, and validation dataset. For question answer pair generation, we used functional program. For example, what is the nearest object to my front left? Corresponding functional program would be a unique filter followed by relate filter followed by closest filter. From figure 1, we can see that all questions are almost equally distributed among different families, with approximately 37%, 21%, and 40% share of each family. Figure 2 represents how distribution of question varies among direction. We can infer that there is no skewness toward any direction. Third pie chart represents how the object entities for which questions are generated are distributed in 360-degree visual space. We can see that in our data set, objects are not concentrated in a specific direction, which prevents any bias exploit. This is an instance of sample question JSON in our dataset. Each object in JSON consists of question family index representing to which this question belongs, its answer, corresponding LiDAR image index, template used to generate this question, details about the video file from image is sampled, and details about in which is split this question lies. In order to solve the task, appropriate baselines are tested by us. For image-only model, we have used hierarchical attention over images. For level 1 attention, we experimented with different existing attention model of visual question answering tasks. We got maximum accuracy of 73.1 with Newton-based level 1 attention. Just like CNN for images, PointNet++ are used for LiDAR-only model. We have used both single scale and multi-scale grouping for learning feature vector. As we can infer from the table, we got max accuracy of around 56.5% with only LiDAR modality. In combination model, we take advantage of both image and LiDAR based model for answering queries. We got max accuracy of around 74.8 with combined model. These are the few results from the dataset. In first example, model is asked about the count on front left. Similarly, we have some other examples. Detailed explanation about each question generation, dataset attributes, and experimental baselines can be found in our paper. You can use QR code to visit our project page. I would like to thank all of you for watching this presentation. Have a nice day.